up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and I am back with another video.
Diamonds, I could put you in that Birkin. See you on the gram, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it in reverse. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty, you deserve it.
You guys, listen, I had to get cute for this video because this wig, like, I've been fiending for this wig. And this company, as you can tell from the title, has always been one of them. I'm sorry, right now I'm out of breath. I don't know why I'm so tired, but this company has been one of my favorite companies. And this is Unice here, of course. And I know you guys see this wig going around a lot because this wig is like really trending. And I couldn't wait to get to this wig, y'all. I had this wig for a minute now. You can say I had this wig for a minute, but I do hair companies in order. This is the Unice wig. I know you guys already saw me do something like this on my channel already, but this wig is different. Like, I had to get cute for this wig because the last wig was like regular natural color with honey blonde highlights. This is brown hair with like honey blonde platinum. It's like different color highlights, and it's 24 inches, so y'all already know 24 inches is mad long on me. I did not bleach the knots because I know you guys are gonna ask. I did not bleach the knots. Whenever you get a colored lace, you never have to bleach the knots unless like the hair was black afterwards or something like that. But I did not bleach the knots. I'm out of breath, OD. I only went in and did some more plucking. But with Unice hair, you never have to go in and do plucking because like they know what they're doing already. But I went in and did some more, like a little more plucking, you know, because I'm extra. Y'all know I've been doing a lot of glueless wigs, right? But this wig is going to be a different type of glueless wig where you can use the band. And if you have the band in your wig, you won't have to, and I'm talking about this type of band. Not the band that already comes in the wig. I'm talking about one of these bands. Like the real, like, keep your wig on type band. I choose to do this method on this wig because, like, I already know this wig is going to be my favorite wig to throw on because, like I said, I've been fiending for this hair. The other wigs is honestly like repetitive wigs. I've done them same kind of wigs over and over and over. So, like I said, I'm going to teach you guys how to add the band. Well, I'm not going to teach you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to add the band in your wig. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, I don't know why I'm out of breath right now. First of all, I have an old ball cap method on my head. And I honestly don't care because you can fix this. Honestly, all you got to do is just pull it down and add, add your GOT2B gel. So I'm going to go ahead and just fix up my ball cap method. Okay, so that's honestly all I'm going to fix because you just want to hide like most of your hairline. Basically, the rest doesn't matter. And y'all, I have on my brown contacts today, so it can go with the color scheme because I have on this nude tube dress. Yeah, I was not playing. I gotta look cute. I gotta take pictures. Alright, so let's get to the wig. You want to put the wig on your head first and then just cut around, cut around your ear because that's where you're gonna sew the band onto. And I know you guys are gonna ask, where do you get the band from? Honestly, the companies always send me bands in the box, but you can get yours from the beauty supply store or arts and crafts store, I believe. I don't know. But yeah, the companies always send me these elastic bands in my box already. You see what I mean? How you have to hide it? Because like you're going to see the difference. But anyways, I'm going to put this. Yo, this hair complements these contacts OD. So I'm going to put the wig on my head. And I'm just going to just cut around my ear. So when I add the band, like, it's going to already be fleeked. Like, I don't need to do anything extra. But just lay my edges. And this way is honestly easier because, like I said, you won't have to worry about GOT2B. You don't have to worry about the freezing blast. If you're not a baby hair person, you won't have to add baby hair, nothing like that. All you gotta do is just put on your wig and go. This is how I used to wear my wigs in the beginning when I first started. I wasn't like, I didn't know how to do the glue and all that extra stuff. I wasn't a pro at that yet. Yo, oh my god! Yeah, I feel so pretty. Like, and these contacts are just like complimenting this wig. OD, son. OD. Yeah, this is gonna be my favorite wig. So I'm gonna cut around my ear over here. See what I mean? Like, you won't even have to cut OD because Unice never adds like So much lace. Y'all, but my stomach in the way now. I can't even cut this side of the lace off anymore. Y'all, I be struggling. Before, I used to never struggle. Oh my god, this hair is so freaking pretty. I love Unice hair. The hair is so bomb. Like, nah, I'd rather keep this as the middle part. Yeah, because I want the highlights to really show. But I love Unice hair. Like, even though the hair is not even combed out or anything, it's mad soft. Like, I could just put my hands right through it. Okay, so now you're going to take off your wig. I got to do my ball cap over. Don't watch that. You're going to measure. You're going to take your elastic band, stretch it tight from ear to ear, from right here to right here. And you can always take these out and do it over, so, because they will get loose after a while. So you're going to stretch from ear to ear where you just cut. And this should be tight enough for me. This right here should be tight enough for me. I like my wigs tight. This is all I need. Maybe I should make that a little, because I don't want to be too tight now. My first wig was too tight. So you're going to stretch from here, and I'm going to stretch it to here. Just like so, ear to ear. And then you're going to cut that. And if you feel like you need extra space, you can give yourself extra space. You're going to measure it again, put this here. I'm going to put it like right here. You're going to stretch it to like right here. And boom, you should be good. And I still got this extra piece I can always save for a next wig. You guys should know about needle and thread. You won't need a lot of thread, but you want to go ahead and thread your needle. Yeah, I'm trying to hurry up with this video because one, I want to get this video out today. It's 6 o'clock. If anything, this could be an 8 o'clock upload because this video is not going to take long at all. Because like I said, we're not doing all that extra stuff. Here's where you're going to sew the band onto. You see where we had cut our ears at? You're going to sew the band onto right here where we cut our ears at. And that's going to lay behind our ears. That's why we had to cut it. You're going to sew that thing on right there. That's where you're going to sew the band onto. So let me see if I can show you guys. And you want to sew it more towards the back. You don't want to do it towards the front if you're going to have baby hair and stuff like that. So this is how you're going to do it. And you're going to, alright, you is just not cooperating with me right now. And you're just going to take your thing and start sewing. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And you just want to sew the band down. Because a lot of you guys have been asking me about glueless wigs. So I was like, let me just do this method anyway. It's way easier and more beginner friendly because you don't have to do anything. But you're just sewing your band down. You're just going to keep sewing. And after you sewed it one way, y'all, you want to go back a second time. Because like I said, the band may be so tight that it's going to start pulling. So you want to go back and start sewing a second time. Just to make sure everything is tight and intact, you know? And that's all you gotta do. This is how it should look. And then you just knot that and cut that. So now the other side. I'm gonna stand up again for you guys so you guys can see. You're just gonna sew that down. Make sure no hair is getting caught in it like you just saw. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm not going to speed this part up so you guys can actually like see. And this is how your wig band should look in your wig. Once again, I'm going to go in and fix this one more time because this is blowing my mind. Let me just use my freaking glass spray. Now I added some more makeup to my cap and I also added makeup to the lace. And okay, let's put this wig on. Put the band on first. Yeah, this wig about to be tight. This is really a glueless wig. Oh yeah, this wig. I got mad makeup on my forehead now, y'all. Wow. That just blew mine. Okay, so. This wig is like super tight, y'all. It's not going anywhere, and that's because I made my band tight. It's honestly not even that tight on my head, but look at the size. Everything is laying down. So if I wanted to, I can go for a what you call it? I can go for a no baby hair look, but you guys know I love my baby hair, so I have to put baby hair. And this hair is so bomb. Let me zoom in for you guys, so I can show you how like this wig is really like sitting, y'all. It's not going nowhere. You gotta cut off the lace. You always want to cut in a zigzag motion so you don't see no like obvious lines. And now it's time for the styling part. And you guys already know how that goes. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up this video. And I will see you guys in the end of this video. y'all, this is the end result, and I am absolutely, I could barely see this contact from when my eye was like this, straightening my hair. But this is the end result, y'all, and I am absolutely in love. Like I said, this is Glueless. Glueless, baby, Glueless. And this wig is tight as ever. This method lasts way longer than the GOT2B spray, because a lot of you guys asked how long did that last, and like I told you guys, that is really honestly temporary. That's for if you want to like take your wig off at night, and you really could, because by the end of the day my wig was already lifting. Like GOT2B never really went with my skin, to be honest. Like even in the beginning, GOT2B never stick long for my skin or whatever. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, how long it is. It's all the way past, it's past my, what you call this? It's past my waist, and this is how long it is, y'all. 24 inches. 24 inches. Get at me. Get at me. I'm about to take my pictures or whatever. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All of this information will be down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain, curving, slurping, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty, you deserve it.